Man, they ran out of Coke Zero at the store, but we'll make it happen. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and today we are looking at a Protech knife. This was actually brought to you guys by bladeops.com. Go ahead, go to bladeops.com, let them know that Brandon or Everyday Minimalist had sent you, and they will definitely hook you up on your next knife purchase. So this is an awesome Protech knife, and most Protechs actually, if you get a newer generation one, will come in this kind of format box. Today we're looking at the Protech Godson with that rose gold finish. So let's go ahead and open it up for you guys. First thing you guys will see is it is made in the USA, and then it does come with a nice Protech kind of microfiber cloth pouch, and then a bunch of their warranty information is actually just stamped there on the box itself. So really nice that Protech gives you all that information with the box. And then the knife is actually concealed inside this nice microfiber type of I guess carrying pouch. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. So there you guys go. The Protech Godson with the rose gold finish. Man, is this thing super sexy, guys. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it actually looks like. Of course, this is going to be from Protech, so it is an auto, and check that finish out. Oh my god, that's so executive looking. Perfect for someone that's looking for a sleek design but also kind of want to be a little bit more flashy. Let's just jump right into it and give you guys some specs with this knife. Blade length, you're looking at 3.15 inches. Overall length when it's deployed is going to be about 7.5 inches long. It's going to be a medium-sized, full-size knife, pretty decent there. With it being completely concealed, you're looking at about 4.4 inches long. It is going to be pretty wide in that sense when you are putting it in your pocket, but I think this will be the perfect carry if you're looking for something that's going to be auto and has a really thin blade. It weighs 3 ounces, so that is insanely light for something in this caliber. The handles themselves, they are going to be black finished aluminum. Yeah, having a full aluminum knife with 154 cm steel on the blade, that's going to be pretty decent, guys. I love the aesthetic of this knife. It looks like it's just there to make a statement, and if you're going to pull this thing out, it's going to be more executive looking, more like a fine piece of jewelry than anything. Looking on the front side here, you will get that really nice rose gold finish on the button itself, and then you also do have some more accent pieces there. The pocket clip is going to be a pretty decent size. It is going to be cross shaped, a little bit bigger, which I don't mind whatsoever. And then again, you still have some more of that rose gold plated hardware. The pocket clip is not reversible, so unfortunately, you know, if you're going to be using this lefty, you'll have to use that index finger again to get this thing to come out, and then, you know, righties will use their thumb finger. To retract the actual blade, all you have to do is click this little button here and then seal it up, and that's how that works. Overall impression with this knife, guys, it is insanely fast. You get that really crazy Protech kick, and I absolutely love the aesthetic to it. I'm definitely going to be picking one of these up for myself. That's how much I like it, just because I did really enjoy that really nice rose gold finish, and I actually do like this blade shape. It is very kind of slicey in that sense, and then of course they're using a flat grind. Just overall really nice aesthetic. I would carry this out to an event or anything that kind of if you want to show off with, I'd bring the Godson with me. Kind of give you guys a size comparison before we let you go. So here is the Benchmade Mini Freak against the Protech Godson. Full-size Godson. It's going to be a little bit longer, maybe by an inch or two, than the Benchmade Mini Freak. And then with it being concealed, those are the lengths with them being concealed entirely. This is only 150 bucks. Guys, get this while you can. The Protech Godson is a fantastic knife. If you're already used to it and have a few others, this one is just going to be awesome, especially with that finish. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, I know I made this one really quick, throw me a thumbs up. If you guys disliked it, throw me a thumbs down. I promise we'll do better next time. If you guys would like to see more photos of this specific knife and many more, go to my Instagram, and that's just gonna be every.day.minimalist. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can go check that out. If you guys like this content here on YouTube, go ahead, hit subscribe, ring that bell icon, and then you guys will know when that next video is live. Thank you guys so much for dropping by, and we'll catch you later. Peace out.